Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the SAT in a day. While a full day is a tight time frame, we can make it count by being strategic. First, quickly grasp the test's overall structure, which includes two main sections, reading and writing and math. Each section is scored between 200 and 800 points, totaling a maximum of 1,600. Next, identify common question types. Finally, prioritize your study time, focusing on your weakest areas. With only one day, targeting high-impact content is crucial. For reading and writing, quickly review fundamental grammar rules like subject-verb agreement and punctuation. These concepts appear frequently and are relatively easy to grasp. In math, concentrate on interpreting data from graphs and tables, and practice basic algebra and geometry formulas. Also, quickly skim common vocabulary roots to help decipher unfamiliar words in reading passages. To make your practice efficient, complete at least one full practice test section, like math or reading and writing, under timed conditions. This helps you feel the pace and pressure of the actual exam. Immediately after, review every single question, especially those you answered incorrectly. Understand the logic and reasoning behind the correct answers. This targeted review is far more effective than simply doing many questions without understanding your mistakes. As your one day of intense preparation concludes, remember to prioritize your well-being. Get a solid 8 hours of sleep the night before the test. Rest is just as important as studying. On test day, eat a nutritious breakfast to keep your energy steady for the entire 3-hour and 15-minute exam. Bring two number 2 pencils and an approved calculator. Trust in your focused effort, stay calm, and approach each question with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.